Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a Google account and enabling two-step verification. This prevents token abuse. Next, open Google Cloud Console and create a new project so your app has isolation. Configure the OAuth consent screen. Choose external versus internal, add scopes you need, and provide branding. Once done, register your application under credentials, add the authorized redirect URI that matches your app, and copy the client ID and client secret for the next step. You now implement the authorization code flow so users sign in securely. First, construct the consent URL including client ID, redirect URI, scope, and response type equals code. Send users there to authenticate. Once Google redirects back with a code, exchange that code at Google's token endpoint using your client secret, or PKCE if public client, to receive access and refresh tokens. Make sure to store the refresh token encrypted on your server and request minimal scopes. You finish by validating tokens and wiring refresh logic so authentication stays reliable. Validate the ID token signature and claims like issuer, audience, and expiry before trusting the user. This prevents impersonation. Implement a refresh flow that catches 401 errors, uses the refresh token to get a new access token, and retries calls. If something breaks, check for mismatched redirect URIs, unverified app, or missing consent scopes in console. Re-register or reauthorize the user after fixing those settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.